Hey guys, it's Bree with Create with Bree, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Cloth and Paper December subscription box. So let me just open this up. Let's see. Look at this. So let me just get everything out. It looks like they just put everything in the archive box. So this is the silver archive box here. Really nice. So you can use this to put your inserts for 2023 in, so you can keep them in a safe place. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. I'm not sure because I didn't use the previous box for that, but it's a really nice quality box. I like to keep like Christmas cards and things, so maybe I'll put cards in here. Keep little memorabilia. Not sure yet, but so you get this box, beautiful silver. This is kind of an ongoing theme that they've had for some of the boxes this year. They've offered a lot of different little silver boxes, and the silver dust bag and silver clip. Some of their notebooks are silver, so that's been an ongoing theme. You get this little folder. Actually, let me open this so I can have the list of what comes in the box for you. Okay, so here we go. So the box was called the Archive Box 2.0. So that's what I showed you first. So then next we have the silver photo book. It's really nice. So it looks like it fits maybe, what are these, probably 6x4 pictures. And you get a whole bunch of pages. So this is really cute. Chic way to keep some photos. So you get a photo book. And then other items here. Of course, you get your dust bag, which I collect these and use them for all kinds of things. Okay. So we get some Arrow page flags. This is the palette 12SB23. I think that's what it says. So we get that. Open it up. So yeah, we get a cute little like gray, and then this is like a taupey grayish color, and then that's like a dark gray or black. So I really like those. I collect all their page flags and sticky notes. I have them all. And then we get, this looks like a silver washi tape. Comes in a cute little vellum envelope. That there. This is cute for like Christmas and New Year's. So I really like that. I'm saving these for last because this is probably what I'm most excited about. So then of course we get our card, and this is so cute. It's like a pretty green color for Christmas, and it says moments on here, which that's different from previous. So you get that card. So this is the moments pocket envelope. We get the, what's this called? Ooh, I'm not even gonna try to say that. There's a dashboard in here. I don't know how to say that, so let me just open it so you can see it. I'm not even gonna play myself trying to say that. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Really pretty. This is also in that green color, which I really like green. Green is becoming one of my favorite colors. It's so pretty. And so we looked at that. So we looked at the dashboard, the box, the photo book, the pocket envelope, the tape, the page flags, and of course we get our calendar card for February is in the box, and it's like embossed, and it has the whole month, and you can fold this to sit on your desk like that. Really cute. And of course we get our members access card, which has the password on the back, so you can shop the exclusive things for members only. Then we get this editor's note. This is really cute. Looks like you can write maybe your name on it. It says editor's note, luxury and simplicity, word of the year. Okay, so this is meant to write your word of the year on it, I guess. That's what that is. And it's a vellum, thick vellum cardstock. And then what I've been excited about are these cards. This is the 2024 calendar cards. It's a set of 12, and these are vellum. I believe they're vellum, right? Oh, well, no, they're actually the same material as I think the dividers. So it's kind of smooth, crystal clear on this side, and then the back, or the front is frosted and the back is clear and smooth. So these are really nice. So yeah, these are the calendar cards. I really like these. And so if you have the acrylic block that they had in a previous box, you can put these right in there. So I plan to keep these on my desk and use these each month. These are really nice. I thought that they were vellum, but they're actually the same material as the divider, so that's really nice. I think this is my favorite product from this month's box. So that's everything. I think we went through everything. Let's see. Yep, we did everything that's in the box. So that is the December 2023 cloth and paper subscription box. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, like this video, let me know in the comments what your favorite item is from the box, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any uploads from me. Make sure you follow me on social media. Everything is Create with Bree, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.